Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. Are you ready? Let's get started. In this video, we're focusing only on drawing the face. Start with a circle. Draw guidelines on the face. We'll use the intersecting lines to determine the locations of the facial features. We have the basic structure of the shape of the face in place. The top of the ears will generally align with the brow line, while the bottom of the ears align with the nose line. The ears will extend outward from the head, near the eye line. Add the eyebrows. If you can make a mark on a piece of paper, you can learn how to sketch. Draw eyes in the right spot. It's best to use free-flowing lines that are loosely and lightly drawn. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Always focus on the overall shape instead of the details. Moving down the face, we'll next draw the nose. It may be helpful to draw two light lines down from the inside corners of the eyes to help you find the width of the nose. We can use the eyes to help us determine the width of the mouth. The corners of the mouth generally align with the inner edges of the pupils, from the pupils to the line of the mouth. Draw the hair. Wait till the end for the final look. 3, 2, 1. Oops! Hee 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 hee. I hope you like it. Like, subscribe, share. See you in the next video for more drawing ideas. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.